So my next guest says that a global equities meltdown is imminent. In fact, so imminent that it's actually going to happen this month. He also says that when it happens, the biggest winner is going to be crypto. Bo, that's really some big statements there. Yeah. Explain to me why you think that there's going to be a global equities meltdown. And you sent us some slides, and the first slide says it's a red November and everything's about to collapse. So talk me through this.
This is called a rising wedge. And if you've noticed the stock market for years, what it's done is it's been moving up, grinding higher. And as it continues to grind higher, you get complacency in the stock market. Everybody believes that the stock market will continue to go up and it will not stop. The problem that you have is that the markets narrow. And as they continue to narrow, the price narrows. If the bottom channel breaks, the markets violently plunge. This is the great crash of '87. What do you see there? It's a rising wedge. So on that chart pattern, what you saw, after the bottom wedge broke, it came up, bounced, and then the US markets crashed 37%. The next chart pattern here is the great crash of 1929.
That was a 50% crash.
That was a 50% crash.
We posted a video stating that on October 4th, the US equity markets will begin to crash. And on October 4th, the stock markets began to crash on the exact dates.
You saying you called this on October 4th?
I have a video posted on YouTube stating on October 4th.
I want to watch this video. Where is this video?
A gold 2020 forecast.
So gold 2020 forecast, there's a video that you posted on the 4th of October.
Correct.
That said the market was going to crash.
Stating that today is the first day down for the world market crash.
And on the 4th of October, the market went down.
Correct.
So you're saying that next month? November?
Yes.
The US markets are going to plunge?
Right.
So what you're saying is that here on Crypto Trader, we're announcing ahead of time
yes,
that the US markets, the great crash of 2018 is about to happen.
It'll be here before year end.
You heard it first on Crypto Trader.
Since the presentation, Japan has broken the channel and currently trades below the wedge, getting ready to plunge. Next. At the time of the presentation, Australia was trading at the lower channel. Since the presentation, a week has gone by and Australia has broken the channel. Australia is getting ready to plunge. Next, Switzerland was trading a few points above the channel. At this current moment in time, Switzerland trades at the lower channel, getting ready to plunge. Canada, at the time of the onstage presentation, was trading at the lower channel. Since the presentation, Canada has broken the wedge, getting ready to plunge. Next, United States, at the time of the presentation, the Dow was trading at 25,400. Since the presentation, the Dow has fallen over 1,000 points, currently trading at 24,400, getting ready to plunge. Next, Germany, at the time of the presentation, was already trading below the wedge. And since the presentation, Germany has fallen further, getting ready to plunge. China, at the time of the presentation, was already 4 months below the wedge. And since the presentation, China is holding and getting ready to plunge. In summary, let's review the coming great crash of 2018. On October 4th, we uploaded a video. In that video, we have this exact cycle chart. At that time, the markets just completed wave point 2. Currently, the markets are working their way towards wave point 3. Following the low at wave point 3, a quick, short-lived bounce will come into point 4. Crash leg 2 will end up being the great crash of 2018 as markets fall into wave point 5. Now, if you are a stock trader between wave points 4 and wave points 5, this would be considered the big short. What is the big short? Well, it's a scenario where volume of data is too big or it moves too fast or it exceeds current processing capacity, resulting in a sudden, massive loss of control and crash. Now, if you are a trader and you wish to participate or be involved in shorting the world stock markets, our confidence in the coming expected red November crash is high, and we believe that our calculated stock crash dates will be accurate to within 3 trading days plus or minus for the 2018 crash low. We are so confident of our date calculations that we are willing to offer a 100% money-back guarantee of the 14-day $99 trial if our 2018 crash low date is inaccurate by more than 3 trading days plus or minus. This offer is valid to any new subscribers effective today, October 29th, into year end. However, if we are correct, the cost would be a moot point if short what is expected to be the great crash of 2018.
So what you're saying is that here on Crypto Trader, we're announcing ahead of time
Yes.
that the US markets, the great crash of 2018 is about to happen.
It'll be here before year end.
You heard it first on Crypto Trader.
In closing, may God bless you and your entire family. I hope you have prepared